Yo, what's up guys? I'm back. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. If you're new to this channel, click the like, click the subscribe so that you become part of our family and you get notified every time I give you guys a new video entailing new information regarding the market and also including psychology as a whole. So today's video is all about understanding the forex industry, the truth about it, and how it has become toxic over time, with people scamming others and others being able to get a breakthrough. One thing I can tell you is that whenever you put your mind to do something, never give up, never look back, always be prepared to sacrifice the things that are of not importance in order to get where you want to be. What I'm saying is that if you can tell someone right now that you are a forex trader, they will expect you to come up in a supercar or anything that can show a physical asset that can show that indeed you are trading. But let me tell you one thing, don't give up, because a master was once a beginner. You have to understand that we didn't come to earth knowing everything. So never ever feel ashamed to say you are a beginner, because one thing I've realized that if I can say I'm hosting a beginners forex class, few people will come. But if I say I'm hosting an advanced, because many people look at the beginner, the word, as something, there's a title that is below average. I'll tell you one thing, I was once a beginner. We all start somewhere. You have to understand that even when you are going to school, you start somewhere. You cannot jump levels. You have to go through all stages of life. So what I can tell you is that the environment as it has become toxic, that people tend to compete with each other. People tend to even go to an extent of showing demo profits just to fit into the society. You have to understand that one thing I can tell you is that if you would like to be a profitable trader, you have to stay away from the social media traders. You have to put your mind at ease. You have to document your trade. Focus on your own journey. You are not in competition with anyone but yourself. The only competition you should be having is someone that you see in the mirror. That being said, look at how a person trades. As you can see with the Forex Heroes, we give you the information, we show you how we trade, so that whenever you enroll for the course, you know what you are going to get. Even though we don't give you everything, it's just the beginner, the introduction, because it will be unfair to the VIP members that have paid, and we give you guys everything. Look at it this way. If you write down your 5-year plan and say, I'm starting to trade today, and my 5-year plan is, so I want to achieve this and this and this. In my first 6 months, I want to be consistent. Forget about the money first. Forget about the money. Because one thing you have to understand, I've came into circles that people, whenever they talk about forex trading, it's all about the money. Focus on the skill first. Focus on the knowledge first. The money will come, and it will come heavily. Look at how the people around you are they negative? If they are people that are negative, learn to remove yourself from those people, because with forex trading you need to have a healthy mindset. You need to have a healthy environment. You need to be able to think properly. You need to be stressless. Don't be a zombie trying to take each and every trade that the market is giving you. No, there's trades that you're gonna miss and there's trades that you're gonna get, but make sure you get high probability trades. Understand? As you know that in the forex market we focus on high probability trades. Look at where you are and where you want to be in the future, because one thing I can tell you is that if you are not financially stable and you want to learn how to trade, you should prepare yourself first, study, get the knowledge first before you go and look for a mentor. There's baby pips you can learn, free information, and there's other YouTube channels you can see we provide new free material. With that, having that knowledge, you can see that this person is able to trade this way, and also understand your personality and your characteristics as a human being, because you cannot learn from a scalper while you know very well that you don't have the qualities, or you don't like being on the market all the time, or you don't have the time. With the Forex Hero strategy, we are happy that you are able to scalp, you are able to swing, you are able to day trade. So it gives you multiple opportunities that you can be able to hold your position longer, or you can trade short-term positions. Learn to understand the type of human being you are. Learn to understand that whenever you get into Forex trading, you have to sacrifice other things that you will no longer be taking part in. There will be a time whereby your friends will be out and you'll be on the charts trying to master and get the knowledge right through. And once you get into Forex trading, you must understand that you'll be exposed to a lot of things, you'll be exposed to a lot of traders, because that's what the system does. Once you start researching something on Google, money, $100, $200, you start seeing advertisements of money, because that's what the system has picked up, that you're always searching. So learn to understand the environment as it is. How toxic it is that many people can make you feel like you are not doing anything. Like, for instance, if you see someone holding profits of $10,000 where else you are still depositing $100, but that person is holding $10,000. Many people are not transparent about their journey, and they are not transparent about their trades. You find a person showing you only blue screen, only profits all the time, but whenever they lose, they never post. So you must understand. And some people, they trade in a different way. They know that I'm willing to risk this whole money. I'm really willing to risk this whole money. If I put in $200, I go full margin in. If I lose, I lose. And then if I win, I win. Then they have excess money that they can be able to deposit once their account blows. So don't compare yourself to people that you don't know what's their backup, because once it blows, he's able to deposit again. You try to trade that way with your last money, it blows, you are out of the game. The secret to Forex trading is how long you can stay in the game, because you can take 2 trades, 3 trades, all of them lose, but the next day you take other trades, they lose, and the following day you take trades, then they win. You find that the win that you have covered all the losses that you have had for the previous 2 days. So risk management is very important. Learn to risk what your account is able to manage. Don't just be risking for the sake of risking. And also, whenever you are trading with a community, or you have a group of friends that you're trading with, always make sure you master your own psychology, because we can never deposit the same money, or we can never have the same emotions towards money. Some people, they can be able to say, okay, fine, I'll leave it. They are patient enough, but you find that you are always constantly checking your charts. So need to understand the type of trader you are, and also shut down all the noise. Focus on your own journey. Comparison is the thief of joy. Never compare yourself to other people's journey, because some people, they are not transparent. Some people have a better plan. Some people have excess funds, savings waiting for them, so they are able to trade high risk. So learn to master your emotions, learn to master your risk management, and also understand the concept and also how the environment it is as a whole, because some people, they post profits is a marketing strategy for them. I'm not bashing any forex institution, but learn to understand, learn to do research on your own before you can go on a forex institute and learn there. But one thing I can tell you is that if you put your mind to something, you'll definitely succeed. You'll definitely become a winner. You definitely succeed and get a breakthrough, a holy grail, because many people took 3 months, some 6 months, some years to crack the code, or in order to be consistent and profitable. So I challenge you now to click the link below if you like to use the broker that I'm using, and also click the link below to join the Forex Heroes and get on the course now. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. Peace.